I'm recording.
No, put her down. I want to show
Oh.
her.
You want to go see the shark? Shark. Ready? All right, go get the shark.
Whoa!
Riley wants the shark. Amelia, go get the shark. Go, no,
Baby.
no, I'm not gonna pick you up. Come here, look.
No, she don't do it.
Look it. Where's Riley?
Uh-oh, shark's coming for you, sort of.
Oh no.
I'm not afraid of you driving. Baby, look. Shark. Mouth's wide open.
Shark. Oh.
Escape, shark. Escape. Yeah.
Amelia, is the shark coming? Shark's coming.
Yeah. I love you too, honey. Oh, don't hit the shark.
Look at you, so scared. Come here, baby. Shark's
I have a
coming.
fear of sharks because of this thing. She'll never see Jaws. She'll just always be afraid because of this.
Shark's coming. What do you think? What do you think? Is the shark? Is the shark coming? Aye. The shark's coming. Want to get down and go see the shark? No. No. I think she's getting freaked out. Okay, baby. Da-na-na.